Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the transformer matches your supply and load requirements. Confirm the unit expects 240 V input and provides 120 V output. Verify the transformer's VA rating covers the total load in watts. Turn off the main breaker at the distribution panel before touching any conductors. Use a multimeter to confirm the circuit is de-energized at the installation point. Keep a clear workspace of at least 16 to 9 safety distance around the panel. Securely mount the transformer to a non-combustible surface using the 4 provided screws. Ensure you maintain at least 5 inches of clearance on all sides for ventilation. Connect the transformer's green ground terminal to the building ground conductor. Use appropriate gauge ground wire. Use 10 AWG for industrial installations and 12 AWG for standard 20A circuits. Tighten grounding connections to specified torque values and confirm continuity with a meter before energizing the device. Connect the 240 V hot lines to the transformer's primary terminals labeled L1 and L2. Ensure all primary terminations use insulated lugs and torque to manufacturer specifications. On the secondary side, connect the 120 V hot and neutral to the load, observing correct polarity and insulation. Install an appropriate 20A or 30A breaker for the secondary circuit depending on load. Perform an initial no-load power-up and measure the secondary voltage at 120 V. Check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.